Hello, hello, hello. Um, in this video, I'm going to show you how to label sheets. I'm going to show you two ways. I'm going to show you the Bentley way and the FDOT tool that do that. And we're going to discuss what's the difference between them. Okay, let's start this. Okay, first thing first, this is ORD 1010. As you see, it's going to be ORD 10.10.21.004 and FDOT programming is 10.10.02.0. This tool, this is the new tool that they released for 10.10. It's actually a unique tool. It does a lot. But before we fire up this tool, there's actually a file that we need. This Excel, you can save it wherever you want to save it. This Excel is basically, you can create your own too. You just have to name it like this: the name, the license number, the professional, the company, the type, whatever. But this Excel comes actually from DOT, so when you install ORD in your machine and then you install your FDOT Connect programming, go to workspace and then actually no, it's not here. Is it workspace or work sets? Give me a second. Yeah, well that's actually another problem. Yeah, okay. Even when DOT they announced in their video, did not show you where to find that Excel, I guess because it doesn't matter. You can create your own, but I'm going to show you where. It's not in workspace, I'm sorry. You actually have to go to FDOT Connect 1010 and go to this workspace and then go to the, I think, FDOT, and then after that go to standards and then where's the data, and then data, and then Tara, you're gonna have this here. Okay, cool. I just opened this, but this is what we want. This professionals. It's just a simple Excel. You can create your own. Like I said, name, license. And also in the back, you should have the types. But I think what they are doing here is because, yeah, it is programmed for you to select the professional type. If you know Excel, if you know how to code this cell to let it read from here, it's not that hard to do. But if you don't, you want it ready, like I said, this is where you should go. Go to where you have your FDOT Connect folder, workspace, FDOT standard data. And I'm not a genius, but if you guys actually open the release, whenever they release anything, I know a lot of people do not read this, but they actually showed that here, and they showed where's the file can be. So always pay attention to that. So now let's go back to this sheet. So for example, this sheet, I have information here. I'm going to change them, including these and the sheet number. So fire up this and then go to browse and then go to your project is. Let me show you a trick. If I clicked on the project by itself, the whole project, and I clicked OK, now it's going to show me all the sheets that we have inside those folders from every discipline. From roadway, from signals, from lighting. I only have in my PC a roadway, but it will show you everything. But since I'm only doing roadway, you can actually go to only roadway and select roadway and click OK. And it's only gonna gather the sheets that are from roadway. So, for example, this is the signature sheet. I mean, you can grab multiple sheets if you want, general note, whatever you want. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab the signature sheet, which I don't see. Here we go, I saw it. Click here and then move it down. Or you can highlight all of them and move all of them down and number them. But again, I'm only doing this for this example, so I don't want to mess up my stuff. I also have this model management I want to add here. But like I said, you can have multiple of those if you want. So now we have signature sheet and we have the play RD, which is I'm gonna make it my model management. That's the title. Literally, you can change the title from here. Like if you want to name this signature sheet, and then I'm gonna I'm famous for my LOL, so you can do LOL, model management, LOL. So that's gonna do that. And also numbering, I want to change this to 6C3 and I want to change this to 9. And then select all of them by clicking here and do commit changes. Wait on it, wait on it. So process has complete. So let's just check first of all the signature sheet if it's happened or not. So I am here, as you see it's still 2, but what I'm gonna do is I need to close this first. Here we go, I closed it and it appeared. That's the 6C3. Let's open it again. This is actually a pretty cool tool. I mean, but I don't know why DOT did that, because Bentley already have its own sheet index. I guess because people complained a lot and they did not understand how to run sheet index, so DOT were kind enough to create this tool. Okay, so let's bring again signature sheet, and let's bring again, where's my play? Where's model management? This one. So we're gonna play with these. Okay, so again, I want to change them to whatever I want. But I see the name did not change, that's the problem, right? So what we're gonna do is, I'm just gonna call it signature. And this, I'm just gonna call it model man. Before we commit any changes, I want to click here and then hold right click. You can toggle these right now and do them from here, because you see these here, some of them are hidden. If you highlight it here like this, it will add the top county, but we don't want our top county, we just wanted the mid county. When I say top mid, this is what I mean. The counties here, it can write one up top, one in the middle, one in the bottom. So what is hidden here, this is come default from DOT. They only give you bridge number, professional number, name number, paper type, but you can actually hold right click here and bring other stuff. Professional number, road number if you want to have a road number. If you, what else do we need? Yeah, the FAC note too. You can toggle that and bring it here, and you can have it here, and you can actually write it, and it's gonna write the FAC note for you. So let's commit changes and see what's gonna happen. Do that again for my OCD. So let's go to default model. Sometimes it needed things, and then let's go back to signature. See, it did not do that. That's the tricky part. Sometimes it doesn't, sometimes it does. So I guess they only have that for a game. But you know what? Let's create a file from scratch. Because let me just show you something. This sheet file itself, if we went to items, where's my items? Here. Okay, it does not have pay items. When I say pay items, I mean items boxes. You know what? Let's create one from, or actually before we do that, let's go to my model management and see if that thing happened or not. Where's my play? Play. Oh, it's here. Silly me. So let's open this and see if the change is committed or not. It's thinking. Telling me fields updated, so let's see that. Oh my god, it's taking so time. It's taking a long time. Damn, why is it taking this time? Huh. Like my computer is struggling. Okay, I see the number here, but let's switch model. Let's go to default and come back. Huh. Okay. So, that's actually solved me some worries, because let's do that again. Yeah, and first of all, before we do any of that, this tool, how it's like able to fill, it's literally where's the Explorer? I don't see model management here. Yeah, it's this thing. That's the thing, is these boxes, the professional info and the project info. These boxes, they're supposed to be latched on somehow to the sheet. That's how that tool is working, but I guess that's not correct. Anyway, let's try it again, and let's try it how DOT want us to do it, because what I just played with, it obviously not gonna work. So let's go back again to roadway, click OK. Let's get my sheets. Signature. Where's my play? And my play. Click on control. And then let's just move it down. Okay, so now that makes sense. That's why they only allowed these, because the ones that I made them show, obviously this, they did not program it to do that, I guess. But they are another way of doing this. And the bridge number too. So if we turn off bridge number and FDOT, just left these, they are another way. Highlight all of them, and then I guess not here, come here, hold right click, update bulk. So professional name, and then reroute this to where we have that I told you about, the Excel, the professional Excel. I have mine saved in the roadway inch data. This is my baby here. Inside it, I type the UR name and stuff, their information. So when you click that, they're gonna appear here, and you see the FC notice here with this information. Also, the project information, you can also update it from here by selecting this. I mean, for example, financial project ID. We can type, I'm gonna type a different one. I'm actually gonna type 0000. Okay. Oh, no. Let's do also 0 0 dash 1 dash 0. And the road number, let's just name it, number it, I guess also 000. And like I said, for the county, if you just select the mid one, it will show you the middle one. But if you select more than ones, you can actually do more. So for example, let's just select Holmes. If you left these, it's only gonna show Holmes. But if you want to select more, one up top, if your project actually have more than that. So now we have this information, we have this information, and we need them to be applied on those sheets. So click on OK. And then if you scroll down, you see we have the information here. And I guess if we open the FC note, we have it already filled out. So you see, it does not like when I wrote numbers, it does not like me doing it manually. So you have to go do it from the bulk option. Again, this is DOT programming. They did that, so. And also, I want to change this to 0, 0, the sheet number, and I want to change this to 0, 0, and the sheet name, I want to change this to plan, just straight up plan, and also this plan 2. And then select all, and let's do commit changes. Sheet processing complete, commit changes. There are also something else. You can also create a piece set from here, like automatically if you have them ordered, if you have a key sheet, signature, roadway, plan, all your stuff here, and you order them as you want. As you guys can see, I already did that here in my project. You can create a piece set, and also you can save a sheet list, because I already have a sheet list here. So if I click to save, you just want to save it in the sheet info. I'm not gonna save it here because I already have mine. I don't want to mess it. So when I do that, so let's name this test. Save it here. Okay, so now, it's like basically you don't have to do it again. So let's close this. Again, let's go back to default and come back and see if that's updated or not. Wow, actually it did not update. Huh. Oh my god, DOT, what's going on? Why am I being embarrassed in my own video? Actually, I'm not. We're just actually trying the tool together. Because it used to work earlier. I don't know why it's not working. Let's go and see what happened to signature sheet. Yeah, signature sheet also did not do that. It did not change nothing. Huh. That's interesting. Let's clear cache. And then let's doctor space. Again, reset setting from my configuration I made from my OCD. Before we do that, let me go to my project. I want to see what's going on in the sheet saved that I saved. Where's the roadway? Page data. So sheet info. This is the original one. This is the one that I saved. As you see, it's ordered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 with only the stuff that I want. And as you can see, everything is coded here. The project number, the road number, the EOR information, and the FAC note. It's here. So let's close that. So let's see the one that we created as this test. Yes, this one, yeah, I have the counties, the top one, the model one, and the road, I named it 00. The project was also number 00. You see it here. Okay, so what we're gonna do is right now, let's fire ORD and try to make this happen. I mean, you just have to play with it. It's a little bit, it's glitchy. I mean, it's not a little bit, it's always glitchy. Sometimes it drives me crazy because I always feel like Bentley product, the open roads designer, it's working, but I also have to fight with DOT programming. It's like both of them are like siblings fighting. Yeah, let's go to my signature sheet. And I still haven't showed you how Bentley does it, because I used to number sheets by Bentley's way, but sheet index way, but I guess DOT tool, it's working, but sometimes it doesn't work. Oh. I see the sheets updated, but the other things did not update. And I think I know why. Okay. Let's test my theory. I'm gonna create one from scratch. Where's my signature sheet? Here's the sheet files, right? Roadway sheet, where's signature? Yeah, I'm gonna create a new one. Okay, so now this is how it comes straight up from the cell. Yeah, that's why, because they already come with the FC note. Here we go. That's the source of the problem. Okay, so this sheet, it already have the box in it, the professional info box, which literally you can also type it here. You do not need DOT tool, because DOT actually already had that in a cell. If you want to do it cell by cell, for example, company name, LOL, street. See, it's updating. Here we go. You see, it wrote it here. Just highlight on the sheet professional name. I mean, I'm assuming you can write whoever you want to name, right? Yeah, let's go crazy. Let's write everything. LOL. Ta-da! You see, it updated. So that was the problem. This sheet have the box. That one has been dropped. It didn't have the box because we got it from ORD 10.9. Oh yeah. Okay. So that was the problem. So just pay attention to this stuff. I know DOT did not say this stuff, but it's here. So right now I'm just writing stuff here. It doesn't matter. Just the zip code, if I want to type whatever, click on enter. Here we go. It actually write it. And also if you just clicked on it, you can also update the project number 000, the top city, LOL. Let's O. And this one, let's name it L. The bottom one, let's also name it L. But you guys get the gist, right? So whenever you have a sheet model, to use this tool, you need to make sure that your sheet is not dropped. You need to make sure that your sheet have this box, professional info, and this box. Because how much you want to bet that my other sheet did not have that? So let's go to the other sheet. Is this the other sheet? Oh no, this is still the first one. Let's go to my other sheet, the signature one. Yeah, it doesn't. That's why. And I already can see it's dropped. Okay, the cell has been dropped. You see, they are not here in the info. So that's why. That's why whatever I was doing is not working. So to make this work, like I said, make sure you have a fresh sheet from their library that's already have those pay item to it. But, and it's a big but, what we can do is, let me go back to signature one. You know me, I'm not gonna lose a fight. You already have that. So what's the solution? Why am I creating this video? Because I think we can. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click on the sheet and I'm gonna go to my add pay items, I'm gonna attach this. I'm gonna attach the bridge info. I'm gonna attach the professional and the project to this dropped sheet that coming from ORD 10.9. Okay, so I attached it to it. Let's see how it's gonna behave now. Okay. The bridges are actually blocked, so I guess they're not letting me do anything here, but let's play with this. Let's name LOL, click enter. Let's see if it's gonna work. Yeah, it's not gonna work because it's probably trying to write it because this has been dropped. So it's not gonna write it. So let's test the other things. Let's test the profession. Let's test, yeah, the counties. Nope, it's not because it's already dropped. That's why. Okay, so let's create another signature sheet. Because I hope you guys are leaving this video and actually learning something. Okay, because I want like one from scratch. I want to do everything from DOT just to show that first, and then I will show you Bentley. Okay, so this is a fresh sheet from the cell. I mean, just treat all sheets as the same. When I say as the same, I mean roadway sheet, signature sheet, any sheet, as long as it's coming from the cell, it's good. And make sure it have the professional info box, the project info box. So now let's fire up this. Let's go to browse again. Let's go to my project. Roadway. Because I know what happened is, yeah, that's the problem. Because we started this project in 10.9, but that's okay. So let's go to signature. Where's my signature? Where's the third signature? Signature 2 only. Where's signature 3? Interesting. I wonder why this one is showing the whole, like the whole URL. So let's move it here. Oh God, you have to click here, I'm sorry. And move it here. So now, so what I did in those boxes I can do here, which is, that's what I was missing from the beginning. So add the FBID, top county, middle county, whatever you want. The FC note, yes, I want that. So the sheet name, can I change the name? I actually cannot. So you see, that's the problem. That's how you know you have a sheet that has not been modified, that it's not dropped. When I say it's not modified, that's mean everything is not dropped. So it will automatically actually, hold on, I'm sorry, I'm clicking on a model name. Here, yeah, the sheet title. So here, let's name it LOL. The sheet number, let's name it 777. Let's name this LOL. Let's also name this LOL. And then let's name this LOL. The FC note, what if I want to write, what if I want to write? And then let's select all, commit changes, click OK. So let's look at our babies. See, it still has not updated yet, but let's close this. Ta-da, it updated. You see, it wrote everything. So let's go back. Let's do it the right way now. Well, when I say the right way, I mean just the proper way. But as you know, in CAD, there are no right way. It's just how you do it. And the more you work in CAD, the more you realize there are multiple ways of doing everything. So that's why I never liked the word the right way. So it might be the right way to you, but it's not the right way to me. So what I want to do is, I want to do again that bulk thing. Just so I can have already the information for the EOR. Oh, I already have it, by the way, because you already showed it once. It's gonna already save it here. Also this. Now let's type the proper project number. 4433171. 171. Do I have to do a dash? Oh my god, I forgot. Yeah, 171. And then let's do this. Let's do a -1, a -52, and then a -01. Road number 566. I'm just gonna go to the middle and do Hillsburg. And since I left these NA, it will automatically delete the LOLs that I put there. Finger crossed. So commit changes. This is the old thing, so let's close it. Sheet processing complete. It did not do it. Okay, so that's a problem. Or it's not a problem. We shall see. Yep, it's working now. This is the new information. That's the 566. That's the county. That's the number, but I have to go back and actually miss a space so you can make it back a little bit. Because we don't want the number here, and it wrote LOL, it wrote 7, and we have the signature. So that's good. But you don't have to go to the sheet. You can, like I said, just come here and see why do we have space. If I went back, did I add an extra number? It's 443317. Oh, silly me. You see, I added an extra number. I'm just gonna delete it from here. And then I'm just gonna click enter. Ta-da! Now it's updated for me. So, to summarize, if you have every sheet that you have, nobody dropped them, nobody manipulated them, they're not coming from 10.9 or they're not coming from copying, they still have, like I said, they still have these boxes, the professional info and the project info. Utilize what DOT blessed us with. Just get your sheets, get everything here. I mean, what's so cool, like in paper, it's a great idea. Because just imagine, because I already did this with all of them. I highlighted all of them from my key sheet, from everything, and I put them here. And also, always save your list. So now I'm gonna read my list instead of doing it from here. I'm just gonna read my list. Let me show you that. So if I just open that, and I already have a list. Where's my sheet info? Sheet info. Let's open it. Here we go. You see, now I have all my list. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna select all, and then let's just do okay. Hold on, why is it not reading? Okay, I guess no need for that. So why do we even have that here? Huh. If I select all, then what? What's gonna happen next? I don't see move up, move down. I don't see nothing. You know what? I guess I am too fast for DOT, because I think DOT, they have not finished programming all this stuff. I think that's why. Because I was thinking if I save the sheet list, if I read it, it will show up here. But it obviously not. So, again, ugh. Maybe DOT will fix this in the next... Well, not fix it. They will update it more. Because this is still a prototype. It's still the first version they... put to the public. I'm sure next time they're gonna fix it, but I hope this helped someone out there. Now let's show you Bentley's labeling. So Bentley's numbering, which is what I used to do, is sheet index. So in sheet index you have all the disciplines here, and you can add also disciplines, but before we can do anything you have to click on open sheet index for edit. You click on it. Then after that, you go to your folders. Like for example, this one, the roadway, we want to add a sheet. So you just hold, right click, You see add sheet. And then let's go to roadway. I'm gonna add signature tree, which is already modified with DOT program, and I just want to show you how it's gonna behave with Bentleys. And also, let's add, which one? Yeah, let's add these two. Let's add both signatures. So you see them here. Now you have to select them and then click OK. And then Tara, you're gonna have them here. If you right click here, you see you have them. And you can actually move them up and down, which is, I remember it was so problematic, it was so hard because you have to do it like this. Sometimes it doesn't happen, or you have to drag it like this. And it's actually not happening, so... Huh. Okay. I don't know, I don't even know what I just did. I clicked on X, deleted those two, so just have this one and this one. And what's so cool about it, if I double clicked on it, it will automatically go open it for you. So that's supposed to be sheet number 1. So let's see if it's gonna write that or not. I see number 2. Is that sheet number 2 or 1 that we just opened? Let's go back default and then let's come back. Yep, now it's updated. You see it's number 1. And that's how you Bentley. But unfortunately, Bentley sheet indexing only update this for you automatically. So let's go to the other one. I'm double clicking on it. See, it's still number 3, so let's just go back out and come in. Now it's updated it. So it's override what FDOT programming does and do it. So there are these 2 ways. I mean, just choose your poison. Like I said, this one is a little bit straightforward. You click on it, you add the sheets, and then you number them, and then you add your EOR, because the advantage of DOT that you can actually fill the other things. You fill the EOR, you fill the road number, the county, the project, even the sheet title and the numbering and the FAC. But Bentley's only do the numbering. That's it. Oh my god, I feel this video is messy. I don't know if I should post it or not, but you know what? I will post it, because again, I'm just learning with y'all. Well, I'm also sharing this because, I mean, this is how I learn. I learn by making mistakes and clicking on things and trying things. That's how you become a master of anything. And I hope all my hocus pocus that I showed today helps someone out there. Yeah, now I have 30 minutes left from my lunch break. So what am I gonna eat? Okay, anyway, you guys be blessed. Have a wonderful day. Please always play with stuff. Play. That's what's gonna make you a great engineer. That's what's gonna make you a great designer too, especially when you're playing with technology. So keep playing, keep plugging, keep touching, and have a wonderful time. See you in the next video.